Ever wondered how millionaires invest their money and how you can do the same, even if you're broke? The secret isn't just about how much you invest, but where and how you invest. In this video, I'll break down millionaire investment strategies that work for any one event if you're starting with just $100. Stay till the end for a bonus strategy that most people overlook. Chapter 1. The millionaire mindset. Most people think investing is about luck, but millionaires think differently. They follow 3 golden rules. Think long-term, focus on cash flow, and let money work for you. Example, Warren Buffett started investing with just $100 at age 11. Today, he's worth over $100 billion. Chapter 2. Where millionaires invest. Stocks and index funds. Most millionaires invest in the stock market, but instead of chasing trends, they buy into index funds like S&P 500, which have returned an average of 10% per year. Real estate. Millionaires love real estate because it builds wealth over time and provides passive income. Businesses and startups. Many rich investors either start businesses or invest in startups with high growth potential. Alternative investments. Smart investors diversify into high-reward assets like Bitcoin or early-stage AI companies. Chapter 3. How to start with $100. Step 1. Invest in knowledge before investing money. Invest in books, courses, and mentors. Step 2. Use fractional investing apps. You don't need thousands to start. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Bamboo let you invest in stocks with as little as $10. Step 3. Start a side hustle. Invest in skills that can generate more income, then reinvest the profits. Bonus tip. The power of compounding. If you invest $100 per month at 10% interest, in 30 years, you'll have $198,000 plus. But if you start earlier and invest more, the returns are life-changing. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest investing challenge?